y'all, I have got some new laundry items to clearance that I wanted to share with y'all. My store had a whole bunch out, so I was able to take a bunch of photos, and I just wanted to share. So if you're interested in all the awesome name brand laundry detergent we're going to get dirt cheap during the clearance event, then please just keep watching. And if you're new here, make sure to subscribe. Just click subscribe, set the bell to all notifications so you don't miss a single upload. And if you enjoy the video, maybe leave a like and a comment so I can thank you for watching. And if you really, really like it, maybe even hype it. Thanks so much, y'all. Huge thank you to Marvinette over at crazy4couponing.com for uploading the discontinued items. I truly appreciate it. This helps us out so much so that we know what to look for. All right, y'all, let's jump on into it. All right, y'all, so let's look at this laundry care that's part of the clearance event. My store had most of it. We've got the Tide White Pods. These are $4.47 during the clearance event. If you check the price right now, it's going to be like $8 or $9 because it hasn't started yet. Got the Purex crystals. These are the lavender crystals. They will be $1.62 during the clearance event or 62 cents after cash back. Next, we've got the Purex crystals in Fresh Vibes. These are $1.45 or 45 cents after cash back. These are the Blue Tide Pods. They're on clearance for $4.47 during the clearance event. Anyone knows that's a great price for Tide because these things are expensive. Now for the larger liquid Tide, we've got the original for just $7.17 during the clearance event. We've got the Suavitel Shed Shield. This one is $2.12 during the clearance event. We've got the True Living Stain Remover for $2.52. We've got the Tide Ultra White Liquid Detergent for $4.47. We've got the Tide Simply Oxy Stain Remover for $3.12. Next up, we have the Giganzo Tide Simply All-in-One. This is the green sunburst background. These are $5.72, and these are massive. Next up, we have the blue Tide Simply All-in-One. Next up, we've got Gain in the Spring Daydream scent. This is the liquid Gain, and it'll be $3.37. Next up is the Gain Odor in Defense in the Super Fresh Blast scent. This one will be $3.37. Got True Living Low Splash Bleach in the Meadow scent for $1.67. The True Living Lavender Bleach for $2.02. We've got the True Living Laundry Detergent for $2.60. And the big, huge Gain Relax detergents are $7.17. We've got the Purex 4-in-1 in Fresh Mountain Breeze. These are the Purex packs. These are going to be just $1.15 after $1 cash back. We've got the Gain Ultra Oxy Flings. These are going to be $8.97 during the clearance event. And we've got the Gain Odor in Defense, also in the Flings, for $7.17. And we've got the Gain Relax Flings for $8.97. And we've got the smaller size Gain Odor Plus Defense Liquid Detergent. This one will be $2.47. Then we've got the True Living Laundry Detergent for $2.60. We've got our Gain Flings for $2.02, and this is just the original Gain Flings. The Tide Ultra Oxy White Liquid Detergent will be $4.47. Our Tide Oxy Boost is going to be $4.47. And we've got our Gain Super Flings. These are $4.47 during the clearance event. We've got more Gain Flings for $3.75. This is the Moonlight Breeze. Then we've got the Gain Flings in the original scent for $3.75. This bag ends in 4949. Then we've got the larger container of the Gain Super Flings, and these are $7.17. Then we've got the Gain in the Moonlight Breeze set for $3.75. I wish I still had these in my store. These Persil Ultra Packs are going to be $2.47, and if you clip this $2 cashback offer, they'll be 47 cents. Now, this is assuming that Dollar General doesn't take our cashback offers, which sometimes they do. We've got the Big Mama Tide Simply Oxy Stain. This one is $5.72 after the clearance event starts. And then we got the blue background one, and this one is with Febreze, and it's also $5.72. We've got the original liquid Gain for $3.75. And we've got the Big Mama Jama Tides in the 100 load in Spring Meadow for $9.97, or just $4.97 after that $5 off digital coupon. Again, assuming they don't take it. Got our Tide Power Detergent. This is the Ultra Oxy 35 loads for $5.75. Next up is Dreft for $5.25. We've got more Gain Moonlight Breeze for $3.75. We've got the Gain Liquid Detergent in the original scent for $3.75. Then the Gain Ultra Oxy in Waterfall Delight for $9.97. We can get the Tide Oxy Boost for $2.50 or just $1.50 after the coupon. And we've got the Blue Tide Pods that are going to be $2.50 or $1.50 after the coupon. But the coupon is one use only, so just plan accordingly. And we've got the Spring Meadow Tide Pods, also $2.50 or $1.50 after that coupon. We've got the Gain Ultra Oxy and the Waterfall Delight Liquid Detergent for $4.47. Then we've got our original Tide. This one will be $4.97. Got the Tide Free and Gentle. This one will be $4.97, and it is a 48 load bottle. Got the Big Mama Jama Island Fresh Gain. This is going to be $7.97 or $4.97 after this $3 off coupon. Next up is the big old Tide Hygienic. This one will be $9.97 or $4.97 after this $5 off coupon. We've got Gain Happy. This one will be $4.47. The last four of the UPC is 7743. Then we've got Gain Relax, also $4.47. This one ends in 7712. We've got another original Tide. This is the smaller bottle. It'll be $2.50 or $1.50 after that coupon. We've got the Purex in the Tahiti, I think it's like Island Tahiti. No, Tahitian Breeze. That's it. It's $3.75 or $1.75 after that $2 coupon. We've got the Purex packs in the Oxy Power. This is a 17 count for $1.50. Then we've got the Gain Fabric Softener in Moonlight Breeze for $2.02. We've got our Gain Tangos in the Apple and Mango scent for $4.97. Got our Unstoppables in number 37. I don't know what scent that is, but it's $4.97. We've got our Downy Rinse and Refresh. This will be $5.82. Got the Downy Rinse and Refresh Outdoor. This one will be $3.12. It is the smaller bottle. Then we have got more Gain Liquid Fabric Softener, again $2.02, original scent. We've got our Downy Spring Peony scent beads for $4.97. And we've got our Gain Fabric Spray in the original Gain scent for $2.70. We can grab our Gain Rinse and Renew in the Hibiscus scent for $3.12, or pick up regular Old Tide, the Clean Rinse for $3.12. Y'all, I'll be back with more clearance items, more clearance matchups, so just keep your eyes peeled. Thanks so much for watching, y'all, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.